Hello everybody, I'm Joris from Lumens, and today we would like to show you our new BYOM solution. For this we use our OIP-60D Dante decoder and our OIP-40E Dante decoder. What do? We connect this box and we place it on the back of the TV. As I said, we connect it to the network, and then we have our OIP-40E encoder, and we place it here under the table and connect it to the same network. After that, we have one USB-C cable that can be passed around to every participant of the meeting. What can they then do? When you have a Dante-enabled DSP, a Dante-enabled microphone or speaker system, you can connect it to the encoder. The encoder will take the Dante audio and video from the camera that is there standing on the TV, and it will decode it and give it to you as a USB-C signal. After that, it will take your whole screen and it will send it over to the decoder, which is at the back of the TV, and it will be displayed live over there. So it enables you that every participant in the room can use your high-end quality microphone and speaker.